I might well go ahead and just tell y'all what this is. There was a little curl right there. It worked barely. Make sure, I need y'all to hear me when I say that. Do not. Hey y'all, hey. And I was just gonna do a voiceover, but then I was down here, I was getting the content because look, and I wanted to make sure I had a lot of content to give y'all so y'all can see how fly this is. But then I was like, well, since I'm over here, I might well go ahead and just tell y'all what this is. And now, then get you to the demo. It's no secret. Let me look right here. Y'all not used to recording on this phone right here. But yeah, I said, let me just jump on there right now and just tell y'all it's no secret. I say it's no secret that for some reason Soft Locs was knocking y'all neck between the wash and dry. Do y'all remember that? Like maybe a year or two ago, there was this thing like y'all stop getting Soft Locs because it's y'all cutting y'all hair out. A lot of people was having problems with it, right? So I said, but Soft Locs are so fly and don't let it be boho Soft Locs. So I was like, well, let's just go back to the basics. Just do an illusion crochet. Just do illusion crochet. I know some of y'all against it. I know some of y'all are above crochet braids. I understand. But come down a little bit if you've been cutting your hair. I done cut my hair taken out one time in my whole life. My whole history of crochet braids. I told y'all, that's why I ended up cutting my hair not too long ago. It wasn't Soft Locs though. And it wasn't my fault either. My cat ran over my foot and I had scissors in my hand. I was like, let me just show y'all how to get Soft Locs the real easy, ignorant way. Also known as the lowercase way. And then that way, when y'all get ready to take them out, all you have to do is take out your cornrow. Take out your braids. And if you can't cornrow, don't worry. You know the plait, but you can't cornrow, do the illusion boxes all the way back. If you don't know how to plait nor cornrow, you can do the rubber band method.
Not my favorite, guys.
And if your hair is fine like mine, I'm not responsible. If you get to donating your edges and stuff, and then don't be at an age where I am. Don't mess around and be in your 40s, baby. We already trying to hang on our little edges just cause life. So don't dip them in the oil, let them get good and oiled up so it's not all that friction. Don't band your hair real tight. And it might be alright. It behooves you, and I've been saying this for years. It would behoove you to learn how to braid, even if it's raggedy. Cause we gonna throw the hair over top of it. It can be raggedy. Don't worry, it don't have to be perfect. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna be looking every which way but loose. Who grandma say that? Every which way but loose. What does that mean? I got this hair from Amazon. I do want to say this though. Make sure. I need y'all to hear me when I say that. Do not buy one pack. You can do it. This is one pack. This is every strand of one pack. I wish I would have bought 2 packs, and I generally did. I was off my A game. But I only bought 1 pack with 8 bundles, so I had to do what I had to do. It worked. Barely. The install was very easy, y'all. This is literally Illusion Crochet Braids 101. Sometimes you just got to take it back to the basics. These curls are not human hair, okay? After a while, it's gonna get ignorant. Oh, I got 30 inches, honey. I was shopping like a real ninja. I got 30 inches. I was like, I'm finna be ignorant and fly. And it was too long for my liking, okay? So I just cut off the bottom. There's no unraveling. I cut right there. There was a little curl right there. No unraveling. You see that? So, and there are different lengths, so you do not have to get 30 inches like I did. Let me get y'all to the demo, but I just want to let you know. Yeah. I can hit that a little on you, don't. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Cause why we almost at 400K? Why we almost at 400K? Oh yeah, I did my face too. Now I did have lashes on. I snatched them off because it was getting on my last good nerve. That's probably because of the place in life I am right now. Ladies, you feel me? Everything is irritating. Snatch them off. That's it, that's all. They was getting on my nerve. I just took them off. What do I do, y'all?